Baba arrived from Abu Dhabi. What are you checking? He's checking some
What
toy.
are you looking for?
Looking for a toy? Oh, that's Baba's medicine.
No, that's his.
Baba went to the doctor. What Baba bought for
What do you
Zido?
want?
Huh?
Car?
What did you buy, Baba?
You have
Car
many
like
cars. How many
cars like those. Three. Where is the car?
Look, how many cars?
No cars? You did not buy car. Sorry, Zido. No car for today. He's counting. How many cars you have?
What
20, he said 20. Oh, this is the only one Baba bought for you. Thermometer. He thought it's a toy. It's not a toy, baby. He knows how to do it, Baba. How to use it. Sige, remove first. Remove. Please help him, Baba.
Yalla.
Remove.
Remove. How do you remove it? I don't know.
Maybe just pull. Just pull, maybe. Oh, that one. Oh. Oh, how to use it, Zido?
Just
Oh,
pull off.
put it in your underarm.
Open the arm. Open your mouth.
Is it for the mouth or underarm?
I don't know.
Because usually you put it in the underarm, no?
Yes, and the arm is okay.
Yeah, but the problem, he doesn't like. Yesterday it was hard for him. He was crying. See, put it there. Put it there. Put it here. He's ticklish. He doesn't want. Baba, he wants to help. He doesn't want to stay in your room. He wants to help Baba cleaning. Yes.
What do you want?
No, he wants to. He wants to push the bed, the mattress.
I will remove this. I will remove this.
Help Baba. Sige.
Remove.
Look at him. He's helping you, Baba. He's always helping.
Remove. This
Remove
one,
the mat.
this one.
From here. Anak. Sige, very good. Sige, remove. Sige.
Yalla, remove. Yalla.
He put it there. He doesn't want to stay in one place. He wants to vacuum all the carpet. Look at Baba. That's the way to vacuum it. He wants to get it. He wants to do it, Baba.
Wash carpet. Yalla, wash.
Washing the carpet. Washing carpet.
Wash.
Water. That's water. Very good. It's more nice, they do know more space, right? Now more space. You can play there and here and run. Okay? Feed the dog and the cat. Go feed them. Give them. He wants also the hippopotamus. Feed first the dog and the cat.